Guys, what is up? We're at SeaWorld Orlando. You know what we're here for, a penguin trek update and general. Now let's go inside and see what's going on. Not too bad of a line to get in, and we're here early today, almost at the park opening. Time for some penguin trek, and I heard some good news. There might be perhaps a final piece in, but we will see. Alright, you know what time it is. It's time for the Sky Tower. Let's get those bird's eye views.
39,000 animals? None of this would...
Otherwise, if you're looking for the next dolphin, adventure that runs in a dolphin stadium until 11 a.m. And
Journey to Atlantis is still a desert over here. Still down for annual maintenance, of course. Antarctica area also frozen off and can't access, but of course, penguin viewing area is over by Kraken. Got a sign over here that says Kraken will be closing early at 5. It's sea lion time. Let's see what's going on over here today.
Where he's coming from, I'm Wild Dorothy, please.
Just like last time, they're still setting up the booths for the Seven Seas Festival that starts on February the 2nd. Over at Coaster Coffee Co., looks like they're working on the building over here. So yeah, last time I didn't see a roof on there, so I assume the rest of the building is underneath there. So yeah, that's good. Progress is ongoing. Over in Sesame Street Land, they're celebrating their 5th birthday of the land, so they're holding a bunch of birthday activities like a dance party, a parade, and then couple other stuff. At Bayside Stadium, they are pretty much done with the area over there for the concerts, so yeah, that's coming up also. So we did have some news today as far as the parks go. SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment did have a corporate name change. Well, actually as of February the 12th, we'll be changing to United Parks and Resorts. So that's interesting. And we have your pink chicken update, except we got some sleepy chickens, so yeah. So that's going to do here from SeaWorld Orlando for our Penguin Trek / General Park update. The final track piece is in. Woo! Thank you. No, anyways. The crews are working hard, of course, to get the rest of the ride done. The Coaster Coffee Co. Express, the building is looking great. Well, whatever I can see of it at least. And the Orca Stadium is still being renovated. Sesame Street Land's 5th birthday is popping off. And other than that, we'll be back at the park, of course, and follow us on our social, guys, if you like what we do. See you next time. Bye!